I'm Sandy from HomeShowGardenPros, and this is Isaac from Spring Gardens Nursery. We are going to talk about this intimidating sprinkler system. So, I've heard a lot about checking our sprinkler systems. Where do I start?
Well, you can go to Manual.
Manual, easy enough. And pick a zone. Okay, and now it says hold to start.
And let's go check it out.
All right, let's go see. So we're looking for wrong direction, blockages.
And you can see this head right here. It's spraying the wrong direction. The head next to it is too low, so you're not getting adequate coverage. So we can go ahead and fix this problem.
That's great. Okay, so let's go figure out how to get this fixed.
Here's this brand new sprinkler head. Now we want to make sure that it matches what we're replacing, the 90-degree angle.
The direction.
Yes.
Okay, all right. So we've got that on there. I've chosen the correct head.
Right.
So how do I get it out of the ground first?
Well, you dig up the head, and then you unscrew it to the left.
Okay, so I'm gonna take it out of the ground.
Mm-hmm.
It's out of the ground.
Right.
All right, now it's pointing the wrong direction.
Right. So what you're gonna do is unscrew the top.
Okay, easy enough.
Okay.
All right. Okay.
And then what you're gonna do is you can pop the nozzle up.
Mm-hmm, and I see where it's pointing.
And then you can adjust it to where you want it in the correct direction. And then you put it back in, and then screw it back in, and then screw this back in
to the ground.
to the ground.
And then I've got it pointing the right
And then you
direction.
have this triangle in a 90-degree angle to make sure that that's spraying in the correct direction.
So do we always have to replace an entire sprinkler head to fix a direction problem?
No, we don't.
Okay.
The thing that we can do is just pop this up, this nozzle, and you can see by the nozzle, it's spraying in this direction. All we need to do is twist it to where it sprays in the proper direction.
Okay, so
Right
now we
there.
have the fan facing this direction.
Yep.
Okay, all right. Well, let's go see if that worked. So we think we've corrected the direction problem on that sprinkler head. So we're gonna go through and check that zone, and let's find out if
Right,
it's pointed in
let's
the
go.
right direction. Yay, we've got it. Well, thanks very much, Isaac,
Yeah,
from
no problem.
Spring Gardens Nursery. Well, now my yard's getting watered just perfectly. Thank you.
No problem.